Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm here with the subject of science for class 1. Today we will have our lecture number 11 of unit number 4. I hope you have studied this unit and your concepts are clear now. We will do the exercises today, and for your ease I have divided the exercises into two parts. In this unit we have learned differences between living and non-living things. लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स में क्या चीज़ें मुख्तलिफ होती हैं. वी हैव लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट पार्ट्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. देन वी हैव लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स. टुडे वी विल डू द कॉन्सेप्ट चेक, सम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइजेस, and you will be having a home assignment. So open your book of science and keep a pencil in your hand. Let's do the exercises. On the page number 30 there is a concept check. Here is a tree. Can you write these words in the correct boxes? आपने इस यूनिट में parts of tree पढ़े हैं. Let's check your knowledge. You have to write the names of these parts in the boxes. The first one is pointing towards this part of the tree. Which part is this? Fruit. This is fruit. F R U I T. Fruit. The next one is pointing towards this part of the tree. The name of this part is branch. You know a tree has many branches. B R A N C H. Branch. In the next box, you have to write the name of this part of the tree. ये जो ट्री का चौड़ा सा हिस्सा है, this is called trunk. T R U N K. Trunk. In the next box, we will write the name of this part, the part which grows under the ground, and that is root. R O O T. Root. In the last box, we will write the name of this part of the tree. These are leaves. L E A V E S. Leaves. This is the other part of the same question. Write the correct numbers next to the names of these plant parts. You can see different parts of the plant and the numbers. You have to read the word and give the correct number. The first one is flower. Find the picture of the flower in this picture. Yes, this is flower and the number is 8. So we will write 8 in front of flower. The next word is roots. These are roots and the number of roots is 5. So we will write 5 in front of roots. The next word is stem. Stem का मतलब है पतला तना. This is called stem. The number is 2. The next word is leaf. This is leaf and the number is 1. The next word is fruit. This is fruit and the number of fruit is 7. So we will write 7. The next word is seeds. Seeds का मतलब बीज. And the number of seeds is 6. Read the next word. This is trunk. Trunk, मोटा तना. The number of trunk is 3. The last word is branch. And the number is 4. Dear students, let's start the first question of exercises from page number 34. Choose the correct answer. Which of these is not a part of a plant? इनमें से कौन सा प्लांट का हिस्सा नहीं है? Flower, leaf, soil, root. And the right answer is soil. The soil is not a part of a plant, but the plant grows into the soil. Question number 2. What is the name for a plant that grows along the ground? ऐसा प्लांट जो ग्राउंड के साथ ही ग्रो करता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? The options are creeper, peeper, climber, cactus. And the answer is creeper. The creeper grows along the ground. Question number 3. What is the name for a plant that can grow up a wall? ऐसा प्लांट जो वॉल के साथ साथ ग्रो करता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? Options are creeper, peeper, climber, cactus. And the right answer is climber. The climber can grow up a wall. Question number 4. Which of these is not a fruit? इनमें से कौन सा फ्रूट नहीं है? Mango, banana, potato, papaya. And you know potato is not a fruit, it's a vegetable. Question number 5. Which of these vegetables is the leaf of a plant? इनमें से कौन सी वेजिटेबल जो है वो प्लांट का लीफ होती है? The options are spinach, carrot, pepper, potato. And the right answer is spinach. Spinach is the leaf of a plant. Dear students, this is all for today. Your home assignment is do question number 10 of page number 37. Do this activity on your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.